In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text components in Glide. Let's get started by heading to Glide in your browser and signing into your account. Once you're in, open the project you want to edit so we can work directly inside your app's layout. On the left sidebar of the Glide editor, click the plus Add Component button. This opens the component panel where you can drop new elements onto your screen. Scroll down until you reach the text section. Here you'll see several options designed for different kinds of content. Choose the text component when you need straightforward copy. It's great for pulling in a field from your data or for writing a short, static sentence. Notes is similar, but tuned for longer explanations or disclaimers, so it's ideal for supportive information that doesn't need heavy styling. Rich text is your go-to for formatted content. Use it when you want emphasis, links, or lists to make key details stand out. Hint is perfect for subtle guidance. Think small helper text under a form or beside a setting. And headline gives you a clear title or section break, helping users scan the screen quickly and understand the structure of your page. After you place your chosen component, look to the right sidebar to edit it. Here you can connect the component to a data source or type in custom text, adjust font size, weight, and alignment, and fine-tune spacing. You can also set visibility conditions, so text appears only when it's relevant, and tweak styling to match your brand. As you make changes, watch the live preview update so you can confirm the layout, contrast, and readability. A helpful tip is to keep labels short, use headlines to group related content, and reserve rich text for moments where formatting truly improves clarity. If your text should come from a collection item, make sure the screen is bound to the right data, then select the specific field in the source picker. For static labels, type directly into the editor and use emojis sparingly to add visual cues. Remember to check how it looks on mobile and tablet previews to ensure line breaks and spacing feel natural. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This pushes your updates live so your audience can see the new text immediately. If you're iterating, you can continue refining components and publish again whenever you're ready. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.